I am going to show you how to do fast or faster of your computer or laptop Windows. First you need to go to Windows taskbar. Click Search or Cortana area, then type here Run and press Enter. You will see Run window message box. Then type their tree and click OK. Just 3 times do it. Then open again Run command box and type their prefetch and click OK. You will see a permission access message box. Just click Continue. Then delete all files. Then open again Run command box. Type their TEMP. Click OK. You will see many folders and files. Just delete all. Then open again Run command box. Type their %TEMP% and click OK. Here also same. Just delete all files and folders. Then open again Run command box. Type recent and click OK. Then select all files and delete all. Then go to Add or Remove, Uninstall Program. Select your unnecessary file and uninstall or remove. Then go to Drive panel and select C drive. Then click right button on mouse, then go to Properties. You will see Properties Details. Then select Tools, then you will see Optimize button. Click Optimize button. Then select C drive and click Optimize. It will take few minutes for optimize. After all those tasks, you will see your laptop or PC running fast than ever before. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe our channel.